Hey guys, what's going on? So with sublimation printing, everyone wants to know how can I get a bigger image size out of my smaller printer, because everyone starts somewhere and small printers by an 8.5 by 11 is very common. So here's a little tip to get a bigger image out of your prints. Here we have an image on a regular 8 by 11, but we want something bigger like this one. Well, what can we do? We see we have a bunch of space here. What you can do is actually rotate the image. And now the image is a lot larger. It doesn't look much larger, but it actually is. So, as you can see, that one goes that much further. And this one goes all the way to both edges as well, right there and right there. So, definitely gives you more potential for a large image. And this one could actually went a little bit higher and a little bit lower. So we want to use up as much, but depending on what software you're actually using to print will determine also the print area. So your printer can go almost to the very edge, but like Silhouette and Cricut softwares don't always allow you. They're going to leave a little bit of a gap for the printing, while Photoshop and other programs like that will give you a little bit more room to work with. So definitely check out some different programs if you need to stretch your image, but don't distort your image. That's one of the biggest takeaway from this. You can get a big image that's going to look good out of an 8.5 by 11, no problem. That's what this was printed on, this was printed on, and so is this. Thanks for watching, guys. Also, if you're wondering what kind of paper I'm using, what kind of ink I'm using, and also your ink colors aren't going to look like this once you print them. We got a video covering that as well. But if you want any of the products that we use, go ahead and check the description below. We'll have all the products linked below.